Jamaica in 6. Away they go. First time of asking. Douglas has work to do. Alex Henry begins to spread and begins to move away. But look at Shanoya Douglas now. It's Shanoya Douglas away from the field. East on the outside as well. 11:14 the flash time. Shanoya Douglas recovers from a poor start and gets the win. Alex Henry shrugging off a pedestrian run in the semi-finals. Looked much better in the finals here. And now your nurse. But look at this from Shanoya Douglas. Close for second between Henry and East.
Well, a really, really bad start by Shanoya Douglas, but she has the pedigree to run back. And by the time they got to the middle of the track at about 50 meters, she began to pull away from Alexi Henry, who I believe would have picked up the second position indeed at 11:39. 11:13 for the victory for Shanoya Douglas. Alexi Henry 11:39 and Natris East 11:41 to pick up the bronze medal. So better start. We may have just seen something closer to 11:0 somebody. But nonetheless, a good time for Shanoya Douglas at 11:13. And Alexi Henry really doing much better than she did in the preliminaries to return a time of 11:39.
Yeah, similar to what she did at championships. Didn't get the best of starts then. Still ran 10:9.8. And here recovers well, middle of the race, to reel in Alex Henry of Trinidad and Tobago, who certainly looked much better in the final when compared to her run in the semi-finals earlier.
Well, Jamaica continues to rake in the gold medals as well. They had a very strong start in the